How do you know when your acrylic fabric paint is properly heat set? Follow the instructions on the label of the product that you are using for best results. You can use an iron, heat press, hairdryer, or tumble dryer. If you are working on a delicate fabric like silk, only heat it to the temperature that the silk can take without burning. When heat setting at lower temperatures, you can compensate with more time. You know that the ink is heat set when you run your fingers over the fabric and you cannot feel the ink on the surface any longer. It has become part of the cloth. The smell rising from the heated fabric changes and loses the strong chemical scent that it starts out with. Did you enjoy this video? Please share it. And if you would like to learn more about lino block printing on fabric, please sign up for my online course at this link.